hey guys, welcome back to our KELVIN Institute, and today's in this video I'm going to perform an amazing experiment that you can see here. How to find out the center of mass of an straight object without using any formula, without using any scale, without pen and without paper. And I'm sure that you will definitely fall in love with physics. Physics से प्यार हो जाएगा आपको जब ये when you see this video. So let's perform it. So for that, what you need to do, just have this straight object in your hands and keep your fingers like that. Just keep your fingers like that, and what you need to do, you just push your fingers in inward direction. इस तरीके से अंदर लेके जाएं. Push your fingers in inward direction and you will see the amazing results. आपको amazing results मिलेंगे. You can find out the center of mass of this object, of this straight object. The center of mass lies where it lies, just midpoint of this straight object. यहाँ पर lie करेगा, and you can see the practical example of this straight object. है ना, प्रैक्टिकल एग्जाम्पल भी आपने देखा होगा. सी सॉ द प्रैक्टिकल एग्जाम्पल ऑफ सेंटर ऑफ मास वेयर इट लाइज हियर. दिस इज द स्ट्रेट ऑब्जेक्ट. यू यहां पर लाई करेगा. सो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग गाइज.